Human-caused damage to nature, often referred to as anthropogenic or human-induced environmental damage, refers to the negative impact that human activities have on the natural world. These activities can lead to significant ecological disruptions, biodiversity loss, habitat destruction, and climate change. Here are some examples of human-caused damage to nature. Deforestation. Deforestation involves the clearing of forests for agricultural, industrial, or urban development purposes. This leads to habitat loss for countless plant and animal species, disruption of local ecosystems, and increased carbon dioxide levels due to the reduced capacity of forests to absorb greenhouse gases. The Amazon rainforest in South America has been extensively affected by deforestation, leading to the loss of unique biodiversity and contributing to climate change, air and water pollution. Industrial activities release pollutants into the air and water, harming both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. For instance, emissions from factories and vehicles contribute to air pollution, which can lead to respiratory problems in humans and damage to plant life. In water bodies, agricultural runoff and industrial waste can contaminate water sources, leading to toxic algal blooms, disruption of aquatic life, and threats to human health. The pollution of the Ganges River in India is a notable example of severe water pollution. Climate change. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This leads to global warming and climate change, causing shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and the melting of glaciers and polar ice caps. The increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, and droughts are all attributed to climate change. Habitat destruction. Urbanization and land development often result in the destruction of natural habitats, forcing many species to migrate or face extinction. For example, the destruction of mangrove forests and coastal habitats for tourism and urban expansion can disrupt marine ecosystems and contribute to coastal erosion. Overfishing. Overfishing occurs when fish are caught at a rate faster than they can reproduce, leading to a depletion of fish populations and disrupting marine food chains. This can result in the collapse of fisheries, loss of biodiversity, and economic hardship for communities dependent on fishing. The collapse of the cod fishery in the North Atlantic is a well-known case of overfishing. Plastic pollution. Improper disposal of plastic waste, particularly single-use plastics, has led to widespread plastic pollution in oceans and terrestrial environments. Marine animals can ingest or become entangled in plastic debris, leading to injury or death. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a large accumulation of plastic waste in the Pacific Ocean. Mining activities. Mining for minerals and metals can result in habitat destruction, soil and water pollution, and the release of toxic substances. The extraction of oil from tar sands in Canada has significant environmental impacts, including deforestation, water pollution, and the release of greenhouse gases during processing. These examples underscore the urgent need for sustainable practices, conservation efforts, and international cooperation to mitigate and reverse the damage caused by human activities to the natural world.
We hope for your support in the form of likes and comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.